So I'm going to work on these Woodstock tapes today. I'm going to pause the tape and do some swearing as I get that open. So I thought this was going to be an easy one. It had a good splice and whatnot, but by the time I got it open, she decided to go to pieces. Here goes an hour of rewinding. So what was inside? Yeah, here's the original roller and bits of it, most of which are stashed inside. That was jammed down in there, like that. And one. Go through a few tapes to find the right size roller. Those are going to get kept. And the rest of this is just going in there. So this one's really wrapped around itself and twisted into a great huge mess. Splice is intact anyway, but we're going to redo that later. Now it's mess with tape time. A little tape ironing. I'm using this old curling iron my wife had. We'll get to the bad part of the tape here. Lots worse to come. Slide her through. And you can see there it's pretty bad. Just move that camera up. Pretty bad in there. But seems to work well. Just a moderate pressure. Back and forth a bit. You can see it doesn't get it perfect. It gets most of it out. Alright, it may not be quite hot enough yet, but I'm going to go back over that. Back to it. Spot there. Get onto the really bad part, just right in here. That one's like folded in on itself, but we're gonna try. I think this was actually jammed in underneath itself. Of course, there's that big crinkle section. Through first, pretty much no pressure. Shouldn't have that part in there though. Get that out of there. Just a moderate pressure. I'm trying not to overheat the tape. I'm sure that's going to make some noise. Anyway. I'm going to hit pause here, work on that some more. Okay, so the results, there's those burns and there's a bunch more of them. I had to work on there. I'll run the tape through. I'm going to try something else. Somebody this morning mentioned taking a Q-tip and a bit of alcohol of those, but I think those are pretty permanent. Here's that really bad spot where it was folded over. Not perfect, but it's flat. And that crinkle was close to that. I think in here. Yeah, there we're really close. You can sort of tell where that bad crinkling was. So some lines across it, but still not bad. We're back to pretty good tape after that. And there's a few more. So what I'm going to do, wind her back on. Okay, so it's all back in there. Thread it through. Spinning nice. Seems to be coming out all right. Moment of truth. This is just right. Slide the cover on. And then we'll take it over. Moment of truth. Will it play? Track one. Not sounding bad. A little more volume on
it. In a land of ours, why? Then on the escalator, every man in the line, she's throwing it up. Oh, we're so far.
Well, there's going to be a couple of spots. I think I put 2 splices in it. I probably cut about a foot out at one point. But it's sounding okay. Hit pause and I'll let it play for a bit. We'll see what goes on.